Good evening, this is Sheila's Quick and Easy. Again, like I said last night, we made pork and beans and franks. And I want the parents to know when I made that, it will really get your children to like pork and beans. If you have a little, a little sweetness to it. Just a little, with a little bit of sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. Well, tonight, it won't be that quick, but it will be easy. I watched this lady on my YouTube station. I had to befriend her. Her name is on feed.
She's on Facebook, actually.
I mean, she's on Facebook.
Yeah.
She is hilarious. I love her. She's just the most for real person. She reminds me of my aunts. She's just so funny. Hi, on feed. This is Sheila, and I really love what you do when you're on Facebook. You're just so for real. Now, thank you. Peace. Now, what I'm going to do is do chicken thighs. I'm going to bake them. Okay? Now, what I put on here was season oil. Season it good. Right? And these are big.
Oh, so, big.
So they're going to take a while before they cook.
Yeah.
So I just wanted my husband to show, I just want to show you, you can put this on, whatever kind of seasoning you want, you can put on. Okay, but I'm doing mine in a cast iron pot because it works better. After that, I'm going to cover it up in some aluminum foil. Like so. Keeping the handle where I can see it. So when I'm going to take it out, I won't make no mistakes. Alright?
These cast iron pots are heavy.
Yes. We're going to make this. I had some frozen macaroni and cheese I had made a couple of weeks ago, and I made too much, so I froze it. So we're going to have this, and we're going to have some chopped broccoli.
Oh, yummy.
So, but before I get to that, I just want you to know about this chicken. I'm going to put it in the oven. Then when it's halfway done, I'm going to show you what else I'm going to put on there. Be back. Peace. Hi, I'm back to look at the chicken thighs. Told you this one's going to take a while because the thighs were big. Let's see how they look now. Whoa, look at that.
Whoa.
Now I'm going to have to turn them. They're not finished though. They're not done at all.
Man, that was good.
See? Did that let it cook a couple more minutes? Then I'm going to put something else on here to make it really good. Which is butter.
Put it back. Okay.
Which is butter. I'm going to give it another. I'll give it to 7:15. Then I'll come back and put the butter on it. So it can really be good. Peace. Okay, we're back. Now the one thing I do have to put on here is butter. On this chicken is butter. Let's look at it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Well, what I'm going to do is cut it. Open just a little bit. Just a little bit. I should have turned it over first. Turn it over. Because I like my skin crispy. You know, crispy skin. This is done, boys and girls. This is the first time I ever cooked it and got done that quick. But anyway, I'm going to take it and I'm going to put some butter on it. So you're going to put some butter on here so you can get a crisp skin, a crispy skin, okay? So, hey Zyla, come here. this is my little niece, Z. My little boo-boo. Say hi, Z.
Hi.
With your shoes on the wrong feet as usual. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Go downstairs with Pumpkin. That's Zyla. That's ZZ. And I'm gonna we put the butter on here to get the skin crispy. Cause I like crispy skin. And while this is getting crispy in the oven, I'm gonna start the vegetable, which would be the broccoli. Okay? I'm gonna cover this back up. No, I'm gonna uncover this. Oh, that was not smart. I'm gonna uncover this.
Iron pots are always hot.
Right? I'm gonna uncover this. And I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Where's my other glove? Like I don't need 2 hands to do this. Put it back in the oven. And let the skin get crispy. While that's getting crispy, I'm gonna start on my broccoli, which is very simple. Put some water in it. Some water in the pot, not very little because it already has water from it being in the freezer. Do not open your stuff like this. Jerome, where's my
Scissors?
Oh, never mind, I got this knife.
Okay.
Gonna open up the broccoli. Put it in here, put it in the pot. Now, you know how I usually just put a lot of butter in it? Well, I found a way, because my sister had used too much butter, to cook it without a lot of butter, but flavorful. I'm going to get a spoon to make sure it's all evenly in the pot. I'm going to turn it on medium heat, like that. I'm gonna let it cook down. I'm gonna put my favorite top on it, which is this plate. Everybody know about my plate, right? Excuse me. Then I'm going to add, after it cooks down, some salt, some pepper, and some accent. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Okay? Then I'm going to take my frozen macaroni and cheese that I made. And y'all know I don't like doing no dishes. And I'm going to put it on here. On here. The frozen macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna put it on here and let it cook. What I put on the defrosting on?
Yeah, probably defrosted, yeah. That's about what, 2 minutes?
I got it on 4 minutes.
You got it 4 minutes?
Okay. So, while these things are cooking and heating up in the microwave, I shall return. Peace. Look at that. This is gonna be delicious. I like it when it sticks to the bottom of the pan. That means it's really cooking. Woo-wee! This is good. Right on, Fee? Right on, Fee? Yeah. You know, I mentioned Aunt Fee because I like her. She cursed, but I love her. I love her. Zyla, you going back downstairs?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
All right, that's the chicken, which is done. Now let's look at the what is it? Broccoli, which is not, it's done. It really is. But let's look at the macaroni and cheese, which is off, okay? Just turned off in the microwave. Let's see how that's doing. And don't mind all this stuff down here. Don't mind all these sodas and things down here. We got it because, we needed it for this time. So, look at the macaroni and cheese, please. See, it's softened. Maybe another 3 minutes. Just another 3 minutes. And then I'll take it out. Ooh. Okay, now let's get over here with the broccoli. The broccoli. Right? So I have to do 2 gloves for this one today too. Which is how I'm going to pour the water off. So, remember I showed you? Take it. Go like that. See, the water's off. Now, gotta get my knife. Put some butter in it. Wait a minute, let me turn off this macaroni and cheese. It's done. Okay. Put some butter in it. Excuse me. Put a little salt. Remember, I don't measure anything. But for tonight I will. I put a little in my hand. See? And I will shake it in here. And I'll go like that. Get some accent, do the same thing. Because I'm kind of heavy-handed. And I will put this in my hand too. And I will shake it in here. Very little. Pepper easy. Put it in there like that. Stir it up. Every time I cook for y'all, I drop some. Stir it up a little bit. I was going to put that out. No, I'm not going to put any more in there. I'm just going to let it cook down like that. And dinner's done. Now, I said it's quick and it's easy, but I had to do the chicken thighs first because I thought they were going to take longer to cook. They didn't. I overcook fast anyway. So, and I had some macaroni and cheese, and I had some frozen broccoli. Well, I'm sure they said broccoli, but I had some frozen broccoli, which I had took it out of the freezer, and I had some frozen macaroni and cheese, which I made myself. Took that out of the freezer. Everything we don't use, I put in the freezer because I never know what I'm going to cook. So, and that's how I made my baked thighs, my baked chicken thighs, and my frozen, my broccoli, and my macaroni and cheese. Ta-da! Dinner's finished. So what I'm going to do is plate it up for you guys so you can see it. And my husband, I'm going to make him a plate. He always the first one here to eat.
Yummy. Look at that chicken. Ooh-wee. Oh, wow. Wow. Mine, I say. Mine!
He does that every night, don't he? I know y'all see him saying it because I'm sick of him saying it. Mine, I say. Mine. No, it's not mine. This is the macaroni and cheese. See how cheesy it is? I put some mozzarella. Did I just know I use
like 4 cheeses, right?
yeah, like 4 different cheeses in here, right? And I cooked it. Now this is the broccoli, which I'm gonna put on my husband's plate. And I'm going to give him a piece of chicken. This is my baked chicken thighs, macaroni and cheese, and broccoli. Now, the macaroni and cheese I already had. This is what I'm saying to y'all. You know we in. You might cook a little bit too much. When you do, don't throw it out. Put it in the freezer because by the time you take it out, all the seasoning would gone through it. It would taste very, very, very good. Tastes better than you did the night you made it. The broccoli was frozen. Now those two are really quick and easy. I did the chicken because I felt like having baked chicken. Plus my sister, she's not getting on me. She said always fry stuff, but I don't. So she's been living with me. But this is our dinner tonight. Broccoli, macaroni and cheese, and baked chicken thighs. Now, remember what I always tell you. Buy everything 2 for $5, 3 for $5, 2 for $7, 2 for $7, or 2 for $6, however much it is, because you never know when you're gonna need it. I'm running out of mustard. So now I gotta go to the store and buy 10 mustards. Told you the story about the mustards. My mother was, why do you need 10 mustards? Because I need 10 mustards. And so happened that day, she asked me when she was here, my neighbor came today and said, Sheila, you have it? I sure do. So don't pass by bargains. This is my favorite cereal, Chex, right here. And I don't ever buy it because they're always too expensive. But they had 2 for $7 and I got two boxes. That box almost gone. You know? So what I'm saying to you, don't go past deals. I didn't have any beans, just had to go to my sister's house and get some beans. But that's cool, because that let me know I got to stock up on my beans. So, and I got enough flour and sugar here to do whatever I want to do. My husband told me don't buy no more flour, don't buy no more sugar. Yeah. Okay? Just remember, stay healthy. Whatever food that you have left over, put it in the freezer. I got pork chops and gravy in the freezer. I might warm that up tomorrow with a new vegetable. So stay tuned to Sheila Quick and Easy. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening, and may God be with you. Because you know we're going to do this for a little while. I'm going to be in this for a little while, people. Because God loves us. God loves me, God loves you. Peace.